Hello everyone. Welcome back to PDMS for Beginner. This is Mr. Tan. Have a good day. Today we will learn how to create the equipment by CADWorks. After create the new file from template. We will create new equipment. Click New, then put the equipment name. We put the coordinate information for equipment. The angle is 270 degree. The orientation is vertical. Click Component tab. The first component is skirt. Length is 15 feet minus 11 3/4 inches. Diameter is 4 foot. Thickness is 3/8 inch. Basering type is with top plate. Top plate thickness is 1 inch. Gusset height is 6 inch. The next component is elliptical head. Length is 2 inch. Thickness is 1/2 inch. Flip orientation is yes. The next component is cylinder. Length is 11 foot. The final component is elliptical head. Length is 2 inch. Now we will set the insulation information. Put the material is calcium silicate and thickness is 3 inch. We also set the same insulation material and thickness for others component. After finished, save the file as F4713. Now we will add the nozzle for this vessel. Choose elliptical head, then click nozzle. Navigate nozzle, then put the information like this. Description is PSV pressure safety valve. Nozzle type is standard. Distance is 1 foot minus 3 inches. Outside projection is 1 foot minus 8 and 3/8 inches. Set the standard nozzle detail like this. Diameter is 6 inch. Schedule is standard. Flange type is weld neck raise face. Flange rating is 150. Zoom all to see all vessel. Choose elliptical head again to add second nozzle. Description for this nozzle is V-vent. Distance is 1 foot minus 3 inches. Layout angle is 180. Outside projection is 1 foot minus 8 and 3/8 inches. Click standard nozzle details, then set like this. Now we will choose nozzle, then put the correct layer for them. Your nozzle vessel like this. Navigate to the cylinder, then add next nozzle. Description is O3 spillback. Distance is 10 foot. Layout angle is 180. Outside projection is 8.5 inches. Choose this nozzle, then put correct layer. Click Standard Nozzle Details. Diameter is 3 inch. Flange rating is 300. Click cylinder again, then add next nozzle. Description is LG1 level gauge. Distance is 1 foot. Layout angle is 225. Outside projection is 8.5 inches. Click Standard Nozzle Details. Diameter is 3 inch. Flange rating is 150. Put the correct layer for this nozzle. Click first elliptical head, then add nozzle. Description is O1 outlet. We can change to X-ray view to see clearly nozzle. Layout angle is 270. Outside projection is 7 feet minus 8 inches 1/2 inch. Click Standard Nozzle Details. Set the nozzle extension to yes. Set others information like this. Put the correct layer for this nozzle. We have already created the vessel with many nozzle. Set this nozzle for pipe-to-pipe connection. Now we will add platform to this vessel. Navigate skirt. Click Add Platform. Distance is 14 feet minus 9 inches. Start angle is 352. End angle is 247. Width is 5 foot. Clearance is 2.5 inches. Ladder end elevation is 14 feet minus 9 inches. Ladder case is yes. Ladder layout angle is 350. We can modify the platform setting for better. Add the correct layer for this platform. Finally, your vessel like this. Thank you for your watching and see you soon.